Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this mattress topper we got a while ago for our bed. In this video, I am going to explain everything you need to know about this mattress topper, including the one important thing that everyone should know before buying. As I said in the beginning, we got this topper a while ago and we love it so far. We haven't had any issues. It's very soft, as you can see, very soft, thick, really comfortable, and I feel like it has improved our sleep. The mattress underneath this topper is so hard. So yeah, this topper right here definitely helped to make the mattress a little bit more soft. Now I'm gonna go over some of the main features of this mattress topper. The reason this topper is so soft is because it has an advanced three-dimensional snow down alternative filling, which provides better softness and cushioning that could help you enjoy a whole night sleep. The delicate square quilting prevents the filling from moving or leaking out, so it's not just for aesthetic reasons. They have it. This is also an economic way to extend the life of old mattresses without replacing them with expensive new ones. It also has deep elastic pockets that completely goes beneath your 8 to 21-inch mattress, which is pretty cool. And another cool thing about this topper, it is machine washable. You can clean it at home without having to send it to an expensive dry cleaner. Now I'm going to share one quick tip with you guys before talking about the one important thing that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Since this mattress topper comes in a vacuum bag, I would advise you to tumble dry it on low heat. That's what I did when I first got it, and just let the air fluff it up. You will see how much of a difference it makes. The wrinkles of the topper will be almost gone when you do it. Now, let's move on to the one important thing that I think you should know before buying this mattress topper. Even though I love it and I think it has helped us so much with our sleep, the padding is not as thick as the picture shows. I'm gonna show you right here. It's a little bit thinner, so keep that in mind when purchasing. But overall, the quality is great and very worth the money.